Hi guys, welcome back to the Theory Lab, and we're going to carry on with our relative minor discussion. And I asked you last time to go away and try and do the D major key and tell me what relative minor it is. Now hopefully you worked it out, but we're going to go through it now in this lesson and work it out ourselves, okay? So let's have a little look, shall we? Let me pop that in there. So we start obviously by working out the D major key. So let's go, of course, D, E, this is a tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 and then semitone. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 and 8. Okay, and of course we've got major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and major. Okay, so let's now have a think. Which one is the relative minor? Well, of course, it's the 6, isn't it? We worked this out. So the B minor is the relative minor of D. So that means that B minor and D major are the same. They are the same key. You just start from each place, okay? So when we write out the key of B minor, we're going to write it like this. We're going to just take those notes. We're going to go B, which is in theory the 6, but at the moment it's the 1 because it's the start, isn't it? Then C sharp, okay, which is the 7 in brackets. Then D, which is the 1 in brackets. Then of course we've got E, F sharp, G, A, and then back to B. So in brackets 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Of course, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now, because that's the order we're going in. But in brackets, we're kind of still thinking of it as a major scale, the D major scale starting from B. Okay, that is why it's called a relative minor. Okay, so without learning anything new, we know that we're going to have a B minor chord on the first one because it's a B minor. The C sharp's going to be diminished. Then we're going to have major because, of course, this one's major. Minor, minor, major, major, and minor again. Okay? So, there is your answer. As you went through that, hopefully you got the same result as me. That would be really good, obviously. And now, again, with this relative minor, we can now put it onto the guitar, okay? So let's just do that. It's always good practice to do so. So we're going to play through the key of D major on the guitar and then make it the relative minor, which is B major, B minor, and then go through that. So D major, let's just pop through that first. So we're going to start on the open chord of D, okay? Then we're going to go to E major, okay? So E minor, my fault. Then we're going to go F sharp minor, G major, A major, B minor, so that's the relative minor. Then we're going to go C sharp, a diminished chords, okay, which you can do in a variety of different ways. This isn't the time to go through diminished chords. And then D major, okay. If you're unsure about how to do any of the chords, you know, they're all going to be written out below so you can just check them. So I've gone through my D major, and that's all wonderful. But now I can do a B minor nice and easily, okay? Because we're just going to start from the B minor. Now I'm thinking B minor is my 6 of D. So I know that's a minor, and I know the 7, so the next one along is not only a tone up, but I also know it's a diminished. I then know the next one along is a semitone, because I'm now going to the relative major. And then from there, I know my pattern anyway. So I know the tone up for the minor, a tone up for a minor, a semitone for a major, another semitone for a major, and then finishing, on the B minor again. Okay? So, 2 key things that you need to get out of this. 1, you need to be able to do it on paper or on a board of some kind. And 2, you need to be able to do it on a guitar. Both very, very cool and interesting things to do. In terms of practicality, we're going to talk about real-world scenarios of using this stuff in the next lesson. So again, at the moment, just make sure you really fully understand the theory, what's going up on the board, and then next time we'll talk about practicality.